Understanding, Wipe the Board Clean, a guide to English idioms. Hello and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, specifically focusing on the phrase, wipe the board clean. Idioms can be tricky for learners, but they are a key part of mastering the language. Let's explore together what this phrase means and how you can use it in everyday conversations. The phrase, wipe the board clean, originates from a very literal action. Erasing any marks on a board, like a chalkboard or whiteboard, to make it clean again. This action removes all previous writings or drawings, leaving a blank space that's ready for new ideas. However, when we use this phrase in conversation, it's usually not about cleaning an actual board. Figuratively speaking, to wipe the board clean means to start over, forget past mistakes, or begin something again with a fresh approach. It's about letting go of the past to move forward. Let's see how this phrase can be used in different contexts. Personal relationships. After our argument, we decided to wipe the board clean and forgive each other. Business and work. The project didn't go as planned, so we're wiping the board clean and developing a new strategy. Personal goals and self-improvement. This year, I'm wiping the board clean and setting new fitness goals for myself. There are several idioms with meanings close to wipe the board clean. For example, start from scratch and turn over a new leaf both suggest beginning anew but with slightly different nuances. Start from scratch emphasizes starting from the very beginning, without any advantages, while turn over a new leaf focuses more on personal change and improvement. Understanding idioms like wipe the board clean can add color and depth to your English. It's not just about erasing mistakes. It's a hopeful expression about new beginnings and endless possibilities. We hope this video helps you feel more confident using English idioms in your conversations. Remember, learning a language is a journey. Don't be afraid to start from scratch or turn over a new leaf whenever you need to. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.